Hey, what's up guys, what's going on? I'm Orko and you are watching The Travel Junkie. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. So this time we came here to this place called Vani Vilasa Sagara Dam. But unfortunately the dam is closed and we had a little bit of adventure here. What all viewpoint we thought we were gonna see, we were gonna explore, all got closed as soon as we arrived. So right now I am in this beautiful location. But how did I get here? How everything happened? What kind of craziness we had? What all adventure we did? To see all of those, stay tuned for the full video and it's coming up right now. The time is 5:48 and it's time to set the trip meter 0. Trip 1 should be 0 and off we go. We are going towards VVS Dam. I don't exactly remember the full form, but I'll inform you guys a little later. It's, I think, Vani, I don't know. It's about 165 kilometers from here, 215 kilometers from my home to be precise, and I have done about 39 kilometers so far. So ahead of me my friend Mintu is riding the Himalayan today and I feel I have little bit of low air pressure. I need to get that checked, but yeah, apart from that everything is good. Welcome to Tumkur Highway, 126 kilometers straight. There is like literally no diversion whatsoever. It's just straight. Bike is parked there and we are here. You can see the dam behind me, the wall of dam. So we are going to go from that area, that stairs we are gonna climb and we are gonna go all the way up.
सर इधर भी नहीं आ सकते सर, वहाँ पर भी नहीं आ सकते। वेट लाख हो हाँ भी क्या क्यों है ये बंद हो गए ले दिस वन
दो पिक्चर क्लिक करके आना है भैया। They didn't allow us to enter because apparently a lot of people started to come in, and we thought that we'll roam around a bit and check out some surrounding places. And I found this trail. Look at those mountains, awesome, right? So my friend is actually down somewhere. There is another viewpoint that we have located from the map. Bakri. Side please. Thank you. Yes, Mojani life, baby. Ooh. Very disappointed, man. Nowadays this is what is happening. Wherever we are going, it's getting closed. I mean, as soon as we are reaching the place is getting closed. Otherwise people are aram se roaming around, no problem, nothing. I don't know, man, what's happening, but yeah. तो हम लोगों ने बाइक उधर पार्क कर दिया पीछे मंदिर के साइड में, और बाइक पार्क करने के बाद हम अभी सीधा ये ट्रेल को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. सो दैट गाय टोल्ड इफ यू फॉलो दिस ट्रेल इट विल स्ट्रेट अवे टेक यू टू द बैक वाटर्स. ट्रिप में थोड़ा सा एडवेंचर हो गया आज, बट मज़ा तो इसी में है। Had little bit of disappointment because we couldn't get to see the actual viewpoint, the actual dam, because they didn't allow us. But that disappointment vanished as soon as we landed here. The landscape is just awesome, beautiful. The road, as you can see, it's buttery smooth, jungle on the both side of the road, perfect for a biker. But yep, another journey coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, I'll see you whenever I'll see you. Till then, bye bye and take care.